Good day everyone! We are Group 1 and today we'll be teaching you how to multiply polynomials using the distributive property and the FOIL method. Polynomials are equations with many terms, which are classified into 4 types depending on the amount of terms.
With one term, it's called a monomial. An example is 9x squared y squared. With two terms, it's called a binomial. An example is 5x cubed minus 1. With three terms, it's a trinomial. An example is m cubed plus 2m minus 4. Lastly, with 4 or more terms, it's called a multinomial. An example would be 4c cubed minus 2c squared plus c minus 8.
Without further ado, this is how to multiply polynomials. To multiply using the distributive property, multiply the monomial to each term in the polynomial.
So that would be 12x times 5x plus 12x times 4.
Remember the laws of exponents when multiplying. Add the exponents of the terms with the same base.
So for example, 12 times 5 would be 60 and x times x would be x squared. Then following the laws of exponent, 12x times 4 would be 48x.
So the answer is 60x squared plus 48x.
Now, to multiply using the FOIL method, also known as the first, outer, inner, and last method, keep in mind that the equation has to be a binomial times binomial.
First, multiply the first terms, then multiply the outer terms, then the inner terms, and finally the last terms.
So, x squared times 2x would be 2x cubed. X squared times negative 1 would be negative x squared. 8 times 2x would be 16x. And lastly, 8 times negative 1 would be negative 8.
So the answer is 2x cubed minus x squared plus 16x minus 8.
Now, it's time to try solving by yourself.
For our first problem, use the distribution method in solving it. Are you done? Well, when you multiply 7b by 3c plus 7b times negative 2, the answer is 21bc minus 14c. The next problem should be solved using the FOIL method. Are you done? Well, after multiplying the first terms, the outer terms, the inner terms, and the last terms, your answer should be 10xy minus 6x plus 20y minus 12. All in all, polynomials like numbers can be added, subtracted, divided, and multiplied. Today we discussed 2 ways to multiply polynomials. The distributive property works for any kind of multiplication problems involving polynomials, but the FOIL method only works for binomial times binomial equations.
Thank you for watching.